Did Citibank just win the credit card points maxing game? What's up guys, welcome back to Finance to Fly. My name is Luke and I'm here to help you elevate your travel while minimizing your spending. Today we're going to be covering the Citi Strata Premier and why this might be the best credit card on the market right now. So to start things off, this card comes with a $95 annual fee and the current sign-up bonus of 75,000 points after spending $4,000 in the first 3 months of opening the card. Okay, so this sign-up bonus is similar to most, if not all, cards in this range. What makes this card different? Let's jump in on that. So to start off, you'll earn 10 points per dollar spent on everything booked through the Citi travel portal. 3 points per dollar on air travel, hotel purchases, restaurants, supermarkets, gas stations, and EV stations, and 1 point per dollar spent everywhere else. For the benefits of this card, they're pretty simple. No foreign transaction fees, a $100 hotel credit when booking a hotel through the Citi travel portal worth $500 or more, and some trip delay and some travel protections. So what benefits from the card do you get from holding this year after year? Well, if you use the $100 hotel credit through the Citi travel portal, then you're netting $5 in value when putting it up against the annual fee. But what makes this card special is the transfer partners and the ability to earn high multipliers on nearly every major category like we mentioned before in the earnings rate. So the current list of Citi transfer partners are as follows: Aeromexico, Accor Limitless, Avianca Life Miles, Cathay Pacific, Choice Privileges, Emirates, Etihad, Eva Air, Flying Blue, JetBlue, Leaders Club, Qantas, Qatar, which is in effect all the Avios Airlines, Singapore Airlines, Thai Royal Airlines, Turkish Airlines, Virgin Atlantic, and finally Wyndham. Many of those are exclusive to Citi's ecosystem only too. So looking at some of those redemptions, we'll assume you have 80,000 points for this, 75,000 points for the sign-up bonus, and 4,000 for meeting the minimum spend. And we wanted to add an extra 1,000 because if you don't hit any of the multipliers when hitting the minimum spend, well, I don't know, I mean, it covers restaurants, groceries, gas. So for this first one, we're gonna do a round trip ticket from Cleveland to Miami for Valentine's Day 2025. Why Cleveland? I just wanted to show redemptions from a non-hub airport so that you can see that you can even get good redemptions from maybe your home airport that isn't big in the airline industry. So we'll transfer points over to Qantas Airlines. The cost will be 24,000 points plus $12 in taxes and fees. And for the cash price of this booking is $349. So if you subtract the $12 in the taxes and fees from the cash price and divide by the points, you get a 1.4 cent per point value, which is not bad. Next, you want to go to Dubai. You don't have enough points to fly business both ways, but you want your points to cover as much as you can for the flight. So you end up deciding to book economy class on Emirates. For this round trip itinerary from Newark, it would cost you 60,000 points and $454 in taxes and fees, or $1,137. This isn't the best cent per point value at only 1.13 cents per point, but remember, this is a trip that you want to do, and cent per point value really doesn't matter in the end as long as you're happy. Also, when you're above 1 cent per point, you're doing pretty good no matter what. And for this last one, we're going to assume you have a little bit more points. You've saved them up over maybe a year of spend, and you have about 120,000 points. We're going to transfer them over to Etihad Airways to book a one-way business class ticket from Washington Dulles to Abu Dhabi. For points, this will cost 120,000 points and $544, or a cash price of $4,600. That's a 3.3 cent per point value. So now for my thoughts on the card. Well, I do think this card is too good to be true. The fact that every major spend category is covered only for a $95 annual fee that can be pretty much earned back through a hotel credit through the portal, it's fantastic. If you're looking for one card to cover all your purchases, this is it. It has a large amount of transfer partners that even rivals Amex's and Chase's transfer partner list. And if I were to ever go with a one card setup, this would probably be it. So who would this card be for? I think this card is good for everybody. 3 points per dollar spent on gas, grocery, and dining is what I would say is a majority of everyone's spend. Adding another 3 points per dollar spent on airfare and hotels booked outside the travel portal, all for a low annual fee of $95, it's pretty much a no-brainer. If you're tired of coupon booking with Amex, or your wallet has too many cards in it, or if you want access to some of the exclusive transfer partners Citi has, this is it. And not to speculate anything, but Citi is partnered with American Airlines on their co-branded credit cards, And I don't know if it would happen in the future, but there is the possibility of transferring to American Airlines, which would immediately increase this value of this card by a ton. Also, I do want to note that from what I've heard online through forums and other discussions, Citi doesn't have the best customer service, and they flag a lot of things for fraud that could be irritating and at times just make using the card difficult. So all in all, what did you think? Are you happy with the refresh that just happened on this card? Will you be getting this card? Do you think this card will last? Let me know down in the comments below. And if you could hit that like and subscribe button, it'd be greatly appreciated. Until next time, have a great day.